Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 5, the last one. So it says to solve 14m minus 6m minus 9 is equal to 39. Now, I'm not even going to write the problem because the first thing I have to do is I have to simplify the left side of this equation. This is the left side, and this is what I have to simplify first. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my columns. I have m's, which is my variable that I see, and I have no's because I have a number there that doesn't have a variable attached to it. Under my m's, I do have a 14m, and I have a negative 6m. Under my no's, I have a negative 9. Now remember, I can't include the 39 because that's on the other side of the equal sign. I can only include the terms on the left side. Well, 14m's minus 6m's is 8m's. And I'm just going to bring down the negative 9 or the minus 9 because I can't combine that with any terms. What's awesome is now all that I have is a two-step equation now that I've simplified the left side, and everyone can handle a two-step equation. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw my ladder. Then I'm going to say to myself, is there any addition or subtraction being involved with the variable? And there is. I have a subtraction of 9. So I'm going to zero that out by doing the opposite, which is adding 9 to both sides of the equal sign. Because anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These 9 zero out. I'm left with 8m, which is great because I'm one step closer to getting m by itself. And then 9 plus 9 is 18. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So my answer is 48. Now I realize that 8 and m are attached by multiplication. I undo multiplication with division. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. And I'm dividing by 8 because that is the coefficient that's being multiplied by the variable that I need to get rid of. 8 divided by 8 is a fancy form of 1, so I'm left with 1m, which is what I want. 48 divided by 8 is 6, and that solves my question. And here is the answer up here, 6. Good luck.